Yo, it's my first time on YouTube. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We're about to see what we can do to um US 30, see if we can make some damage to this. See if we can catch something. You guys will witness it. First time on YouTube, so like I said, let's see what happens. On US 30 on the 1 hour, looking for the imbalance back into here. I do see the shorts playing out, obviously. But we're gonna see what happens. Or if the shorts don't happen, I can still see that 1 hour imbalance from here to take this short, or we can just start seeing some buying momentum into, obviously the short could be here, right, with a 50-point stop loss, which is pretty big, and our 100-point would be here, or we can take our long into here for a 100-point into our 50-point stop loss. I don't really like this stop loss on the longs. Reason being is because price can already potentially take us out if we were to go there. But same reason why I think the shorts could potentially play out. This is on, oh, that was on NAS. Okay. That was on NAS. Okay, so longs for US 30 look way better at this area right here. And then obviously shorts are for right here. Longs for 30 could be here. 100 points into the 50. Right? I do actually like that a little bit more. Now, do I trust my gut and go with these longs? Really depends on how Nas moves. I feel like Nas might go for those shorts, and 30 might just start pushing for these longs. Okay, so yeah, if I see the potential longs here. So if price wants to come back down, I probably will take the longs. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm finna turn on this TV I got going on. Okay, there you go. See what price wants to really give us. I'm not trying to force anything, especially on a Wednesday when it's FOMC. Okay, you see how Nat's shooting down? See what 30 wants to do. 30 also looks like it wants to shoot a little lower. So be patient with it. I'm being really patient with it. I could see Nas fall. I think I might just take a stab at Nas. Yeah, good thing I never took 30 short or 30 longs. That's really the main reason though, just because I don't know. It depend a lot about where my stop is to see if it gives it that room. So obviously, if it took this longs, like I would have been price was already here at one point, so it can obviously go back there. So I mean, like it's just really iffy depending on where my stop is at that moment. You know what I mean? And that's just my rip down here. Yeah, and that's just falling without your boy. As well as US 30. US 30 would have been a, it's all good. See if price wants to pull back. Now this is just falling crazy. See if 30 wants to pull back for us. Yeah, Nas was a good short right there. Just didn't end up taking it. It's all good though. Should have, but I hesitated. And when you hesitate, that's the problems you get when you hesitate. You know what I mean? 30. I don't even think 30 is gonna pull back. To be honest, I think 30 just might keep going. I feel like that was the dump that it was gonna do, and it did it. So, but then again, if Nas doesn't run to his previous low, I could potentially take Nas. You see how 30 already ran its lows. It's kind of more iffy now than Nas. If Nas were to come all the way back up, I'll probably take Nas instead, just because it hasn't ran those previous days, those lows, right? That's really the main reason why I would even take Nas if it comes back up. If it comes back up. 30 could potentially pull back to here as well. I just wouldn't be too interested into it because it already ran those lows, like I said. And Q, I could take a stab at here, but then I also gotta be careful because price could run all the way back up. So you see how it like rejected it bullish. So I'm gonna just be patient. If I see some type of rejection, I probably will take it. And yeah, 30. Everything's all already back up really, really, really quick. So I could just be patient on the other hand, and just wait a little longer. But we can for sure run these lows here. So I'm gonna just take it based off of that, knowing that we can run those lows again or run previous days lows. Well, I could expect just 30 to go back down as well. Like I said though, I'm being really patient. It's F1C. There's no trade, there's no trade. I'm good off of it. So come on, Nas. I need you to come a little higher because I don't want to take it here and then price come up here and then just I'd rather get the good entry. Wait for the good entry. US 30 though on the other hand is going all the way back up. Could potentially still short from the area that I was talking about. Nas does look like a better play though. Yeah, you see. On 30 though, we could potentially run higher, which I don't mind taking shorts on 30. It's just those lows. And then 30 can just run higher. Those lows are the only thing stopping me, to be honest with you guys. To be honest. Longs don't look too bad here on 30 though. Come on, Nas. Go back up for your boy. Come on now. Go back up for your boy, man. Go back up for your boy, man. Yeah, I can for sure see 30 go higher from this area right here. Could have been an easy catch too. Off those lows. I'm really interested in what Nas is gonna do now. Yeah, 30 is gonna run higher, way higher. Yeah, 30 can go crazy. I'll wait on Nas though. We'll wait on Nas. We'll wait on Nas for now. We'll wait on Nas. We'll wait on Nas. We'll wait on Nas. We'll wait on Nas. Okay, Nas. You're coming to my area. Can you tap it though? Can you tap it though? Okay. Yeah, 30 is for sure gonna go higher. It's gonna go all the way back up to there. To 100 points up here. Shit. Don't want to give Nazis these shorts a chance. I don't know. 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 Oh, I don't know if I want to give these a chance. I really don't know. I need to stop being scared. Just take it, bro. Okay, let's close out of that. It's not going. It's gonna go higher. I feel it. I feel it and I know it. You just feel it, bro. I don't know. I can still see this go short though. But it could just continue to reverse all the way. I'm like so indecisive. That's all good though. You know what I mean? We don't have to take unnecessary trades here. We can just, you know, be more patient, actually get the right, or actually not get into drawdown again like I just did. But you see, I knew when to cut it right away. I wouldn't just stay in it and hope for it to fall. Like I'm wrong, and that's it. Get out. You know what I mean? I'm wrong, and that's it. Like I'm not. I was wrong. Can't help it. I was wrong, bro. Can't do much about it, man. Can't do much about it. Can't do much about it. It's my hand here, bro. Can't do much about it, man. Can't do much about it, brother. These longs on now don't look too bad if price were to start. You know what I mean? You know what? I'm gonna might just take it again. Oh, that's a bad entry. Really bad entry. Really, really bad entry. Yeah, I'm wrong again. Let me just take my entry exactly where I have my shit at. My stop is gonna be at these highs. Can't risk anything more. It's my last chance at this. I can't. 3 trades at the same spot is enough, to be honest. What is this, like a 23.50? TB is gonna be right here. Damn, bro, I don't like how we're buying this shit back too fucking quick. We're buying it back too quick. If we break this one more time, I'm gonna put my stops at break even. I don't care. If we break this low again, I'm finna put my stops at break even. Just break it. Or not. Come on, bro. Break this low. Break this low, man. Break this low, man. So I can move my stops, break even. Come on. There you go. Stops going break even. I don't care. Come on, TP's right there. There you go. TP hit. Yes, sir. Third time was a fucking charm, boys. Third time was the fucking charm. Shit, bro. That's all I needed right there, to be honest. Even though I feel like price is still gonna go all the way to these previous lows, but hey, I got my 1 to 2 right here. I told you guys if it went back above what was it, this area right here, I was gonna be done with it. So my entry from here, the risk, this was my 1 to 2 right here. Even though price, like I said, price, I can still see price going down to the previous lows. Now, will it go down there right now? It can. It has a chance to, right? But we can also um be a little be a little hesitant around this area, so price can eventually come back, continue down, go here, and then eventually fall. Just a little consolidation before it actually falls all the way through, right? But took my chances, did what I could. I knew I accepted when I was wrong. When I saw price go against me, I was like, okay, I'm wrong. I'm not gonna hold it into expecting more drawdown and to eventually have hopes and dreams of price falling again. If I'm wrong, I am wrong, and that's the best I can do. That's the only thing I can do, right? So yeah, man. That's done before 10 a.m. I'm not taking no more trades. We got FOMC later today. We had what was it? Employment employment, what was it? Employment consumer index or something like that. Something like that. So yeah, I'm done for Wednesday. I'm cool. I'm chilling. No need for me to try to get anything else. No reason for me to try to jump in something that it's not there. No reason to just do anything, right? Hands off trading. Uh Peace mentally is good. I'm fine. I'm gonna go on my day, gym later, do a whole lot of other stuff. You can't just be trading and your whole life be revolved around trading. Well, I could say that, especially for besides the beginners. If you're a beginner, I say really, really double down on trading. Really put the work in, put the work behind the scenes, right? Put the work that that needs to be put in for you to become better the next day, right? Um, Me, I feel like I've done that. I'm still doing that. Um, I don't think there's a point where you feel satisfied in a certain case. I don't think you should ever feel satisfied. Because there's always more work to be done. There's more. Your job isn't done. Your job isn't finished, right? So keep putting one foot in front of another, and you know ask for help when there's stuff that you really don't understand. Instead of being stuck in this hurdle, instead of being stuck to this wall, just ask. Maybe if one question you ask, put your ego down and ask. Maybe that one question that you ask might be four doors that open to your career, right? So put that ego down. Don't think that you can do everything by yourself. And if you do, that's good. That's confidence. But that confidence can boost 100 times once you ask that question. You get me? So yeah. Nonetheless, um, I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's morning trading session. If you guys wanna, you know, follow me on anything on Instagram, VTDZ, same thing as my YouTube. And obviously I wanna run a Discord just to like help the people that, that need help to trade or want to learn how I trade. I'll put the Discord link down below if it lets me, and you guys can join up. It's totally for free. I don't charge anything, so there's no reason for me to charge. I don't feel like I'm somewhere in the spot for me to be charging you guys. I don't live in a $1 million house. I don't have a 100K $1,000 car. So yeah, nonetheless, if you guys wanna join the Discord, join, feel free, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's do it.